people think the Wing Chun inch punch is about speed or strong arms. That's wrong. If your structure is broken, even 10 years won't give you power. But if you understand alignment and nervous system activation, you can feel real change in 2 weeks. Hi, I'm Austin. Today I'm going to show you the real method behind the Wing Chun inch punch. Not the movie version, not the show version, but the internal structure method. I have trained Wing Chun for over 50 years and have represented Yip Man lineage since 1978. I've tested this method on thousands of students worldwide. The inch punch is not muscle, it is structure, timing, and nervous system release. What the inch punch is not arm strength, not shoulder push, not chest tension, not speed. If you use your arm, you lose power. Let me show you. In Wing Chun, everything starts from the structure. So feet together, both feet on the side of your chest. Wing Chun stance, knee relaxed. Make sure your body firm and strong. Do not bend forward or back, left or right. Check your center line with the Tansa and Wusao. Your middle fingers is in line with your nose, and power comes from the center. Now, where does the power come from for your inch punch? From the ground to your legs, to your waist, to your body, to your arm, your wrist, and into your punch. That's where the power comes from, and it comes from the center. So they all work in one. There's no separation. We do not just punch with the hand, moving the shoulder. We don't do that. We do not lead it forward, or we don't use strength, or not, we don't bring it back and then get extra power. No, we come from the middle and come from the same position in the center line. So to start your inch punch training, first you get your structure correct. That's number one. Center line, correct. Then we start punching. First, we practice slowly, finger jab, and then punch. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change your hand again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we got a technique. We're going to spit it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And relax. The next step, we're going to punch against a piece of paper. A piece of paper in front of us, and we're going to punch it. We have to imagine we're going to punch through the piece of paper, but we do not move the arm or the body forward. Stay where you are and go 1. That's it. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And relax. Now we will move to the next level. We will punch against a heavy bag. So today we're going to practice inch punch on a heavy bag. So stay square, Wing Chun stance. Take your jab, punch 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the other hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And relax. So just practice this every day for 2 weeks, and your inch punch technique will improve and your power will come. Before you trust your chain punch, take 2 minutes for this test. Will your chain punch fail you? The links pinned below. Some of the common mistakes most people make is overuse the shoulder, all right, leaning forward and tense. If your face is tense, your power is leaking. So Wing Chun is not about hitting harder. Wing Chun is not about hitting harder. It's about connecting the whole body into one unit. When the structure is correct, 1 inch is enough. That's powerful. If you train correctly for 2 weeks, you will understand real Wing Chun power, structure first, ego last. Train smart, train long. See you in the next video. Before you move on, take a moment to test your own Wing Chun. I have made a free 2-minute test. Will your chain punch fail you? Record 1 round, score yourself, and I'll show you the drills to strengthen what's missing. The links in the description.